Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I'm here today with Debbie, our product manager.
Hi.
And today we are both so excited because it is the opening of our 2024 holiday shop. So I love Christmas. Do you love Christmas?
Yes.
I love all things
Always.
Christmas. I love Christmas music. I love Christmas cookies and hot cocoa. I love
Yes.
going to get the tree in the tree farm,
Family time.
family
Just
time,
yeah.
the Hallmark movies, just everything. It's kind of it's just a nice time of year. So we have a lot of new things for you in the holiday shop. So let's get started because we've got a lot to cover just to show you what we've got. So should we just start at that end?
Sure. These are felt kits.
Okay. So we've had these before, but they are always very, very popular. So we just keep selling out and then restocking them. But this one's probably one of the more popular ones, the Christmas critters.
Has been, yes.
And
Christmas gnomes.
Gnomes are still popular.
So and this is a wall hanging.
Wall hanging.
Love,
yep.
joy, peace.
And they include the felt and the floss and all of the instructions. So really, pretty much all you need is like scissors and a sewing needle, and that's it. You can put these little kits together.
Yeah.
So those are really nice to either make them for yourself, make them for a gift. And then we've got cross stitch. Yes, little cross stitch ornaments. If you are into cross stitch, or if you've never done cross stitch but you want to try it out, this is a great way to try it out because they're really reasonably priced. They're actually done on perforated paper, and it includes all of the flosses, the needle, even has some really cute sequins and beads in there to finish them off. So again, great beginner cross stitch project. Cross stitch is really, I did cross stitch back in the 80s and early 90s, and it is really making a comeback.
It is making.
So
my daughter's been doing it.
Oh, really?
Yes. Cross stitch is coming back.
That is, yep, it's the thing. So then we've got the wooden stitchable ornaments. We've got several styles for these. And with this, you get a piece of wood that's like pre-punched, and you get all the flosses. And again, this might be a really nice kids project. Maybe for an older kid who's just learning how to sew or just really likes arts and crafts, like my granddaughter. Just any kind of arts and crafts you put in front of her, she loves. So I think she would love this. Or if you're just looking for something fun to do in the evenings, maybe you're going on a retreat or a car trip and you just want something really quick and easy to throw in your bag so you have something to work on. These are very nice. And then we've got
other wooden ornaments.
Yep. Same idea, but a little bit different styles. We've got the Christmas tree. We've got the wreath. Really kind of a modern feel on these subdued colors.
Yes.
Yeah, they've been very popular.
Your flosses. A needle. There's a needle in there.
Yep. Oh, yeah. And then you can see what the wooden ornament actually looks like. It's a beautiful piece of wood with the holes pre-punched for you. So, you're just kind of putting the needle and floss into those pre-punched holes. So super quick and easy. Let's see. Should we go to, I guess we'll finish up kits while we're here.
These are new.
Brand new kits. Okay. So the felt kits have been very popular too. And these are the little mouse family.
Cute.
How adorable is that? That is really cute. So you've got
four little mice.
4 little mice that you can make with this little kit. And again, it contains the felt. The felt colors on these are really beautiful. They're very soft. They're not like the felt colors that you find like in the craft store. They are really beautiful, modern colors for the felt for these. And then, so this one here, maybe, that is cute. So that's the penguin.
I have a little surprise for you.
Oh.
A little present.
You do? Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Did you make that?
I did.
Oh, that is so cute. She really did surprise me. I had no idea. That's adorable. Oh, look, he's holding his little fishies. That is so cute. So did you have fun making that?
Yeah, it was easy. It's fun.
Because
it doesn't take long.
And you're not an experienced sewer.
No, I'm not.
Right. So
I said this before. I'm working off 8th grade home ec.
Okay. And you were able to make this easily. So
yeah.
that is good to know.
They they give you all the directions and the stitches you need, and
Cute. Oh, that is adorable. Look how he's just
I
hugging the little fish.
I will say I think I have enough to make a second.
Oh, okay. So you had like leftover scraps that you could
If you're
use.
careful, I might need some other floss, and I definitely need a hanger. But yeah,
Cute.
they give you plenty. You
That's
don't have
adorable. Okay, so then this is the partridge in a pear tree ornament. Same idea. So yes, these are very, very cute little kits. And again, you get just about everything you need in there except for
Yes.
probably like the scissors.
Right.
So,
exactly.
Okay. So then we talked about ornaments. We also have our wooden ornaments, which if
Not
you
many left.
not many left of these. If you remember, we had imported these. The artisan told me that she was retiring at the end of the year. This is a single artisan, so these are not made, in an assembly line or something like that. This is the one artisan hand paints all of these. She designs them and paints them, and she has told me she's retiring. So we have very few of these left in the shop, but you might want to go and grab them now before they're completely sold out. So these are the wooden ornaments, and they come with you want to show them the twine.
Little piece of.
They each come with a little piece of red and white
to hang it up.
hanging twine. So okay, needle minders.
You want to do those?
Needle minders have been like so popular. I mean, we just keep restocking these and stocking
these.
different ones,
They
and
stick together. It's a very strong.
it's a good strong magnet. And I
It
know
does work well.
some of you are collecting these and have like a lot of them, and you might have a little problem with collecting these. And
they're hard to resist.
You know who you are, who I'm talking to about this. But yes, they're hard to resist. They're super cute. I love them. So we've got, this is the little the pickup truck with the tree on the back, and the gnome. And what have you got there, Debbie?
A birdie on a present, Christmas shop, which is my favorite. Little snowman who's very cute, and a Christmas tree with presents underneath.
Yeah, so we have a nice.
They're so detailed.
Yeah,
I
nice stocking stuffer, or if you've got like a guild or something where you're doing a swap or a gift exchange or something, you might want to pick up a few of these to just give as gifts. They also we have found here, they make a really nice lapel pin because there's no needle to snag your blouse, and it's a strong magnet. So, I mean, look. I think I might take this out of the package and wear this later today. Get ready for Christmas. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at you can just make a little pin out of that. That is adorable. That's so cute. Okay. So let's talk about should we talk about our new panels?
They're pretty new, yes.
Okay, here. So we have 3 different styles. If you remember, we had the snowman ones, but we've added 3 different styles. We've got the Christmas critters. They have been very popular. We just released these about a week and a half ago. We've got the little North Pole helpers. I love that one. I think those elves and reindeer are so cute. And then we've also got the Christmas village. Now these are already cut apart. When you get them, you'll get them like this, and you'll just cut them apart. And it comes with a little demonstration video to help you cut them apart. It's not hard. It's just got some tips on there. And here, you want to grab a couple of these and show what we've got. You got the quilt shop, which I think is probably the most popular. This is the Le Petit Cafe with a little snowman, the bakery with a little fox. What else have we got here?
This is a bookstore.
And the coffee shop. So the idea with these is that we also have several patterns that use these finish at 4 inches square. We have several patterns that you can mix and match these into. So you pick your panel, then you pick your project, your pattern, and you can make something like one of the patterns is this little candle mat, which we made with the North Pole helpers. So we have lots. I think we have something like
this is in the Scandinavian collection.
Yes.
The candle mat.
So we have I think 7 different projects that you can use. So you just pick your, like I said, and then so say you wanted to make this with a little village, you would just plop the little village squares in there. So that's a mix and match brand new product line that we just introduced. Very popular. People are really loving our new little panels and our quick and easy projects. So you have lots and lots of time to make gifts or Christmas bazaar items or something like that with these. So, and then since we're talking about kits, we have our Let's Be Merry, and it's a cute little mini wall hanging. Comes with everything. Comes with the panel, comes with the buttons, comes with the backing, the binding. The only thing you need to add is thread and a little scrap piece of batting. That is it. And you can make this in an afternoon. So
Yes.
our little mini kits have been super, super popular. We've got our Fa La La runner, which again comes with the fabrics. It comes with pre-printed panels, comes with the binding. I think the backing is included with these too. And we've got a really, really good price on these. So if you haven't picked one up yet, and there's 2 different styles for the panels. So you can pick up either of those. And then it comes with the printed pattern. And by the way, this table runner pattern included will work with these little squares. So once you make this kit, if you want to make some more of these, it comes with embroidery patterns, so you can embroider the centers, or you could get some more panels and mix and match them in the kit like that. I'm going to talk about our brand new books.
Brand new books.
We have new books in the shop.
I love Riddler.
So this one's a Very Merry Quilted Christmas. Lots of projects in this one. And it's got like this cute, look at the cute little gingerbread bunting that you can make. It's got some quilts, table runners. It's got this cute Santa tote bag. Oh, look at, it's got like a little wall hanging. I don't know if you can see it, with cats in a tree. And that's a pieced project. So very cute projects in this one. Brand new in our shop. Great price point on that one too.
Yeah, and if you like red work, red and white, beautiful. Lots of embroidery patterns.
Yep. And again, that's a mix and match type of thing. She gives you a bunch of embroidery patterns and then the projects, and you just pick your favorites and you put them in the projects. And listen, if you want something that's going to go all the way through the winter, instead of reds, do it in blues. Like, do your embroidery in navy blue or gray, and then use blue, blue and gray fabrics. And now you've got projects that will take you all through the winter. So that's a great book to pick up. Again, great price point. You want to make sure you grab one of these before they sell out. Fabric bundle. What's the name of this one? I always forget.
Magic
of Christmas.
Magic
Is that
of
we
Christmas.
call? Okay.
Magic of Christmas. Yes.
So these are half yard cuts that we picked out here in the office and put them. We coordinated them for you. Sometimes it's really hard online to pick out fabrics that go together, unless you pick everything from the same exact fabric line. So this is a mix of a couple of different fabric lines, but we have coordinated them for you. Half yard each. This is adorable. It's snow globes with like snowmen and Santa and reindeers and little houses. And this would be great if you've got like, if you want to make some placemats or stockings, or if you've got a panel project that you've got picked out, right? Look, you can make a lot of these little candle mats with this bundle. And you would just pick
that
like,
would go really good with
it would go great with the North Pole helpers. Or I think it would go great with the critters too. The colors are perfect.
Oh yes.
So if you're getting the panels, you might want to pick up this half yard bundle, the Magic of Christmas bundle. And then finally, I told you we had a lot in the shop. We've got a couple of Christmas bundles. We've got the textures, which this has been very popular. People love this because it's just, they're textures of different Christmas colors. So you've got a couple different reds, a couple different greens that they're great for just filling in your stash. If you're making projects and you need something that's kind of a solid, something that reads as a solid, this is a great way to fill out your stash. And this actually coordinates nicely with the Magic of Christmas bundle as well. So there's a lot you could do with these. And then what's the one you've got there?
This is Merry Little Christmas.
That's cute. So we've got the bundle. And again, I think, let's look at these. These also would, these would coordinate. So if you want to get the bundle and then you want to fill in a little bit with some textures, some tone on tones, this would be great. And our last one is, I think it's Christmas is in town. It's got like a little town, like with ice skaters and a little, the little car going to the tree farm. And and these are both Sandy Gervais, so these will definitely coordinate. That's a really cute star pattern on the back too. I like that a lot. So lots and lots of Christmas things. There's lots of time for Christmas projects. So get started now. Get your stuff out of the holiday shop. This stuff is on sale in our holiday shop all week, starting
Yes.
today, which is Sunday, November, what's the date today? Sunday, November 10th is today. So you've got about a week
Yeah.
to get all the holiday shop things on sale.
Everything's on sale.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, and you want to tell them about our shipping?
Yeah. So this week, our Black Friday week that we're doing.
Well, it's a pre-Black Friday.
It is pre-Black Friday.
We're doing it a little bit early because if you noticed in the US, Thanksgiving comes really late this year.
It does.
And you don't have a lot of time between Thanksgiving and Christmas. And we thought, we know that you want to be working on these things.
Yeah.
So we're making our Black Friday sale a week or two before before actual Black Friday to give you more time to work on your projects. But anyway,
Yeah. So this week for shipping, every $25 you spend, you will be getting a free gift.
Yeah.
And we're going to accumulate your purchases all week long. So you don't have to buy it all in one day, because every day this week,
we're going to have a daily deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one day we're going to have, all of our books on sale, not just the holiday themed ones. And then another day we're going to have all of our fabric on sale. And there's, and then all of our kits on a different day. So you want to make sure you're opening your emails, be on our email list, open your emails and find out what the daily deal is. Yes. And then we'll hold all the orders till the end of the week.
Yep.
Combine them all.
Yes.
And you'll only pay for the shipping for the one package. So even if you get charged like with every order for shipping, we're going to work it out so that you're only paying for the actual shipping.
Right. And you will be reimbursed any excess shipping.
Right.
And if you spend $100 over the week, you will have 4 free gifts in your box.
And if you spend $80,
you get free shipping anyway. Yeah.
Right. So that's a win-win. So if you spend $80, you're getting free shipping, and then you're getting like three gifts.
All your shipping will be reimbursed.
Right. So $80 or more over the week, free shipping, and then every $25 that you spend during the week, free gift. It all gets bundled together at the end, and then the next week you're going to get a really, really nice little box, a little present for yourself in the mail.
I will be super busy.
Yes. Yeah. Our elf will be very busy putting all your orders together. So I think that is it. We covered a lot today. So many cute things, so much to be excited for. We hope you've enjoyed seeing everything that we have in the shop. We hope that it inspired you a little bit to run to your sewing room and maybe work on a project.
Yeah.
And I guess that's it. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
All right, bye.